Hey guys, so I'm going to kind of explain what for Wednesday the work, what it's going to look like, and how you're going to get all of the supplies, not supplies, but the links and things that you might need for Wednesday's work. So when you go to your Google Classroom, and I'm just going to use Core 1's, it should be the same for everybody's, you will scroll down and in the stream, the first thing that you should see is you will see I will give you an update of what is expected, the work that we will do in class, and then if there's time, whatnot, and then when the office hours are, and the link to the office hours. So that will always be on your core stream. Also, I will put in our classwork, you will see the 9/16 Wednesday work and links. So I made a Google slide, a Google presentation that will have all of the information that you need to do for the lesson on Wednesdays. So the first thing that you will see is that you'll have to watch the video, and I will try to tell you in Edge the lesson, so it'll always be that first thing, and it says lecture second video, and I'll always tell you what box it should be that you need to do. So for like this lesson, you need to be on box 4 of 9, and so you'll see that orange box down there is on the 4th box, and that's where that second video starts. And then I will always tell you the next thing that you need to do, and anytime that there's a video, there will always be a check-in. Did you get it? Did you understand it? Just kind of checking in with you. And that will be in a Google form, and any forms or links or videos that you need other than the video in Edge, I can't put the link to the Edge videos in this presentation, so that you're going to need to go to Edge and do yourself. But any other links that you might need, whether it's a video or what have you, I'll try to put on this presentation. So you will see the link for this particular video check-in is right there, and you know that this is a link because it is blue and it's underlined, and then when I go over it, my cursor goes from a pointer to a hand, and it kind of just, and you could click on it and it will take you to the Google form that you'll need to fill out and submit. Also, you will see number 3, it says Wednesday work check-in, and this is going to be every Wednesday you're going to need to check in with me. I want to know what you did in class, so this is really important that one of the last things you do is tell me what you worked on Wednesday, and each form is based off of your core. So if you're in Core 1, you will click this top link for the Wednesday work check-in. If you're Core 2, the next link where it says Core 2, Wednesday work check-in, Core 3, Wednesday work check-in, and Core 4. So I'll just click on Core 4's, and you will see it is just a Google form where you're going to fill in what is today's date, for Western Hemisphere, what did you work on, and this is where you're just going to type in. So you might say watched Organizing Our World, second video, and completed the Google form answers, and I also played the Quizlet game to practice my physical geography vocabulary. And then you will want to tell me how you're feeling today. Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling anxious? Are you feeling, you might be just feeling blah, and that's okay. Put blah. I know there are some days that I just feel meh. Go ahead and tell me. Again, that's not a required question that you have to answer, but it kind of lets me know a little bit more about you. And then the last question is anything that you feel that Mrs. Kump should know. Maybe it could be in anything. It could be I'm struggling in math class, or I'm struggling at home to find a quiet place. Just anything that you feel important. Again, you will see that doesn't have like a little red star. See how that one has a little red star? And this one doesn't. That means that it's not required. You don't have to answer those questions, but feel free to. It gives me more information about you. And then hit submit. And so on our presentation, we'll have all the links. So here I talked about the Quizlet to practice the words. There's the link for that. And then also an important information about a quiz that's coming up. So Wednesday work will always be on a presentation slide like this. I will tell you right now that the thing that will always be on the slide will be the Wednesday work check-in link, because every Wednesday you're going to need to check in with me to tell me what you worked on. So, and that will always be, it will be in your classwork. And for today, since today's really Tuesday and while I'm making this video, it's not in the today's lesson and materials, but it will be there tomorrow. And so that is how you are to complete your work for Wednesday. If you have any questions, pop in during office hours. The link is available. And I can't wait to see you on Thursday. Bye, guys.